I am sharing the best and stress-free way to prepare your super tasty stew, Nigerian style. Should I call it Mama Put style? This stew is perfect for your rice and for any kind of swallow. Don't let me talk much. Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. What I have in this pot is the vegetable I'll be using. I heat it up a bit and I'm just going to add sliced onion and fry it for just 2 minutes. What I have here that you can see is my pepper mix. Yes, this pepper mix contains tomatoes, paprika, onions, ginger, habanero pepper and garlic. It has been blended and also boiled. You can see that it is still frozen. I don't need to leave it to defroze. I'm going to leave the link in this video, under this video in the comment section. You are going to see how I prepared this. What I've just added into it now is the meat stock. I've boiled the meat I'll be using already. So I added into it now and boiled everything. So lovelies, after about 10 to 15 minutes, it has defrosed and they've known themselves. You can see. So this is how it's going to be. I'm stirring it now. After that, I'm just going to go ahead to add more tomatoes into it. I'll be using this tomato puree. Yes, this is tomato puree. I added it into it. You can use tomato paste, no problem. I added some seasoning mixture into it and I'm just adding some salt. Remember, I added meat stock already, so be gentle with your salt. And I want it more spicy. I added more chili into it. So all you need to do now is to give it a good mix together. I'll use this medium to say thank you so much to all you my subscribers. Thank you so much to all you my followers. Thanks for sharing my video. God bless you. So after that, I'm going to add this boiled meat into it. Yes, this is boiled meat. I'm going to add it into it and I'm just going to let them be together for about 5 minutes. So all I need to do now is to cover it and boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I opened it and I'm just going to give it a gentle mix together, lovelies. And after that, boiled turkey. Turkey gets so cooked easily and it can easily be overcooked. So that is the reason why I added the beef already, the beef shaki and cow leg already that has been boiled. Yes, I cooked them for about 5 minutes now. I've added turkey into it. So all I need to do is to mix them together and cover and cook for 5 minutes. Tra-la-la! Let's open it together. Lovely. The aroma here is everything. If you want to see how I prepared this, how I boil the meat, you can also see it on this page. It is there. We are cooking the stew. If you look at the time how we started and up to the stage that we are, it is still under 30 minutes. And lovelies, you're going to get this perfect, delicious stew. You can cook without being stressed out. Use the system and you will love it.